In this video, I'll help you find the best digital camera for beginners. All products mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. Our first camera is the Duluvulu 4K digital camera priced at $99.99. This camera is a standout choice for beginners, boasting 4K video recording and ultra high definition 48 megapixel images. Its autofocus feature ensures sharp, detailed captures, bringing every scene to life. The camera's 3.0-inch IPS flip screen is perfect for vloggers and selfie enthusiasts, offering a 180-degree view for creative framing. With a 16x digital zoom, distant subjects are brought into clear focus, making it versatile for various photography and styles. The camera doubles as a webcam, ideal for live streaming or video calls, and includes HDMI output for sharing your work on larger screens. It comes equipped with 2 rechargeable batteries, ensuring you won't run out of power during important moments. The camera's multifunctional capabilities, including time-lapse, slow motion, and various shooting modes, unlock endless creative possibilities. It's an excellent choice for beginners and a thoughtful gift for photography enthusiasts. Next, let's look at the 5K digital camera with Wi-Fi, available for $149.99. This camera elevates your photography with its 5K ultra high resolution, capturing more detailed and vivid colors than traditional 1080p and 4K cameras. The 48 megapixel sensor brings out stunning clarity in your images. The included UV filter enhances image contrast and color saturation, adding a professional touch to your photos. The Wi-Fi functionality allows for effortless photo transfers to smart devices, making it simple to share your captures on social media. The camera's autofocus and 6-axis stabilization provide sharp, steady images ideal for various shooting scenarios. It includes 3 flash modes for adaptable lighting conditions and a user-friendly interface for easy mode switching. The package includes a 32GB SD card and 2 rechargeable batteries, plus a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. My third camera is the Femivo 4K digital camera, priced at $89.99. This camera is perfect for those who value both high-definition video and photography. It records in 4K and captures images at 48 megapixels. The autofocus and anti-shake feature ensure your photos are always crisp and clear. The camera's compact size makes it ideal for travel, and the built-in flash enables shooting in various lighting conditions. It's an excellent gift for anyone looking to start their photography journey, offering a range of creative functions and 2 batteries for extended shooting sessions. The camera's intuitive design and full feature set make it a favorable among beginners and teens alike. Moving on, we have the VJIANGER 4K 48 megapixel vlogging camera, available for $99.99. This camera is designed for the modern vlogger, offering 4K video resolution and 48 megapixel stills. It includes additional wide angle and macro lenses to broaden your creative scope. The Wi-Fi feature enables quick photo sharing, and the manual focus function allows for precise control over your images. Its lightweight and portable design make it a great companion for daily use and travel. The camera is an excellent choice for capturing events, making it a perfect gift for festivals, sports events, weddings, or parties. It comes with 2 batteries and a 32GB TF card, ensuring you're always ready to capture your moments. Lastly, I present the KVUTCIEIN 4K digital camera, priced at $109.99. This camera is a dream for beginners who want to delve into high-definition photography and videography. It offers 4K video and 48 megapixel image resolution with autofocus, making it easy to capture stunning moments. The camera's 3.0-inch flip screen and 16x digital zoom add versatility to your shooting angles. It also functions as a webcam and supports HDMI output for diverse content creation. The camera includes multifunctional features like time-lapse and slow motion, catering to a variety of shooting preferences. It's an ideal gift for anyone interested in exploring photography and video, and the package includes a 32GB SD card, spare battery, and charging stand. In summary, these 5 digital cameras are excellent choices for beginners venturing into the world of photography. Each camera offers a unique combination of features that cater to various needs and preferences. The Duluvulu 4K digital camera is a versatile option for aspiring photographers and vloggers. The 5K digital camera with Wi-Fi brings ultra-high resolution to young capturers, while the Femivo 4K digital camera combines portability with high-definition imaging. The VJIANGER 4K 48 48 megapixel vlogging camera is perfect for creative content creators, and the KVUTCIEIN 4K digital camera provides beginners with an easy introduction to high-quality photography and video. These cameras not only simplify the learning process, but also open up a world of creative possibilities. And there you have it, my list of the best digital cameras for beginners. Don't forget that links to all the products mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. Thank you for watching. Till next time.